Hello, good morning and welcome. It's the 26th of January and it's just after 8 o'clock. And I'm going to start today again with the DXY. This is the dollar against the basket of currencies. As you can see, I've put another trend line on here. Um, the dollar has had yet another dip. I thought it had bottomed out at the 90 mark. We've come down to we're about 88. 89 at the minute. Um, Hopefully, we're going to see another bottom form, and we should, in my view, see an upturn in the value of the dollar. But basically, this position of the green candle yesterday and the red candle is it's mirrored basically across all the other charts. So if we go back to the AUD USD, we've seen a nice green candle this morning. So where we broke through support yesterday, we've actually just come back up to touch it. So we're going to watch and see where that's going. Not making any decisions at the moment, but I believe the high that we've got here is about 81.50. The brown line there. It looks to me like that's going to hold. So there we go. Same again on the pound. We had a red candle yesterday and a green candle, which is the weak dollar again today. So we came down and touched the trend line, and we've bounced back up. So basically, the RSI has made a lower high. If you look between this candle here and that candle there, that candle is higher than this one, and we have made a lower high on the RSI, and that shows sentiment towards a weakening pair. USD CAD, same thing. Commercial ratio of 1.7 to 1 short. I believe we're going to start bottoming out a little bit here, but we'll just have to watch and see. I'm not making any moves myself at the moment. Euro USD, again, we see that the same thing reflected in the chart, and this is really just the strength of the dollar, or sorry, the weakness of the dollar, mirroring through all the pairs that we're looking at. So we're waiting for a pull back down here below the 69.1. USD Swiss franc. The Swiss franc actually has gained some strength on its own. So this has come down really nicely. We've got a commercial short ratio, a reduced ratio of 3.2 to 1. Hopefully that'll be increased by the time we get the CFTC out tonight. So we'll see where that's going. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Actually, it is looking like it's topping out, and I believe this is weakness in the New Zealand dollar. And we see this little bit of strength coming up. That's weakness in the dollar, more than strength in the New Zealand dollar. And we're actually flat against our trend line, which I shall just move over a little bit because I want to see what's going on. Okay, so we're looking for a nice move down now in this pair. We'll see where we go with that. Silver, we've gone above the resistance here, and we're holding. This is a recent high turning point. Let's see how much further we can go, but I think this is going to top out somewhere around here. So there you go, and back to the DXY. We've got a bit of news out today. We'll see where that takes us, but basically I'm standing back at the moment on this market. It's very difficult. I didn't expect this weakness in the dollar. Mr. Trump actually said that he does like a weak dollar, but you know, the general performance of the states and the fact they've got to raise interest rates, I think he's trying to keep the dollar as low as he can, and make poor comments about any good news that they get. So let's see where that goes. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Cheers.